What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water by human activities. For example, humans can throw away rubbish everywhere which can contaminate the water which nearby. That's all.
Water pollution like? Water pollution like from people that are throwing their rubbish and beyond from Baha, putting big near the well and so forth.
I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby.
C'est heaven.
I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't sleep until I feel your touch. I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. Oh, I'm like this, no one knows.
Solutions of water pollution: throwing away rubbish into the rubbish bin. Second, going out fishing without using the ship. Third, separate the big bin with the well water and so forth.
That's just